This is right here to talk to you about all you need to know about the Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort Mortgage Package. All right, so are you ready? Do you know you can own a fully detached 3-bedroom bungalow in the heart of Lagos, starting with just 362,500? Amazing, right? Yes, with a 10 years mortgage plan. So we have 4 mortgage package. There is the NHF, we have the FHF, we have the Murphy, we have the Imperial package. All right, these are coming at different rates. Okay, so the Imperial package plan is 27% rate, Murphy is at 12%. FHF is 16 and NHF is 6. So NHF isn't applicable here because it's an off-plan project. And for Lekki Avana bungalows and resorts, what is currently applicable is the FHF mortgage plan. Okay, so that is what we are going to be talking about, and the interest rate is 16%. So applying for a mortgage package, you have to indicate your interest. Then we get an offer letter from the company, the developer or the owner of the property. About the checklist, so we have checklists for employees, we have checklists for self-employed, we have checklists for clients in the diaspora. Okay, once you're qualified, you can be part of the first 15% that has a slot for this 10 years mortgage package at the current launch price. Okay, the first step for you is to put down your equity contribution. So equity contribution simply means your interest and your commitment in the property you want to buy. And this is the money I'm putting down to invest in this property. That's what equity contribution is all about. The standard practice is that you pay that money as a lump sum, as in you pay it once. Then the mortgage home cannot process your loan on your balance. So now, because the loan amount shouldn't exceed 50 million naira, so instead of us looking at 10% equity contribution, we have the option for 15 or 20% equity contribution. Okay, so that the amount you're getting as your mortgage loan will not exceed 50 million. The price is 58 million from the table you're saying, and you're expected to either go for the option of doing 15% or 20% equity contribution. But my focus, because it's the same, so I'm going to use the 15% equity contribution table to talk to us. Okay, all right, so 15% of the property value, 50 over 100 times 58 million, that will give us 8.7 million. All right, so the standard practice is that you are expected to put down the 8 million as your contribution once. But guess what? We are making it super easy for everyone. We came up with flexible package for your equity contribution. So what that means is that instead of you putting down your 8.7 million equity contribution once, you can actually decide to pay it for 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months. All right. So if you go for the option of 24 months, you can be contributing 362,500 monthly for the next 24 months for you to start your home ownership journey at Lekki Avana Estate. Okay, so if you decide to go for the 18 months, that means you will be contributing 483,000 naira monthly. And if you want to go for the option of 12 months units within the estate, okay, so you can say, okay, you own unit 5 or unit 6 within the estate. All right, don't forget you can also pay this once. So if you pay it once, it simply means your loan process will be faster. But by the time you complete your equity contribution, then your loan will be processed. So the loan amount will now be 58 million, the property amount, minus 8.7 million, the equity contribution. That means your loan will come down to 49,300,000. Okay, so that is what the mortgage is going to pay for you to own your bungalow. All right. So, and that is what the 16% rate will be applied on. So you can choose to pay it for 5 years, or you can choose to pay for 10 years. Okay, so if you divide that amount, inclusive of your interest rates, okay, so for 5 years, if you want to do 5 years, that means every month you should be paying 1.2 million naira contribution for the next 5 years. Okay, so if it is 10 years, that means you will be doing 830,000 naira monthly contribution for the next 10 years. And by the end of the period, that loan repayment will be 72 million for 5 years and 99.6 million for 10 years. Okay, so the beautiful part of this thing is that once a client completes his payment, the delivery period of the project is 7 months. So you can actually move into your home within 1 to 2 years. You'd have moved into your unit while you are still repaying your loan. All right, so that is it. Another thing that you must take note is that you can actually include life insurance policy. In this part of the country, we don't like talking about debt. All right, nobody wants to die. But debt is actually inevitable. All right, so for your next of kin, or your family, to benefit from your investments, while the payment is still ongoing, you should do your life insurance policy so that in case of eventuality, they can actually benefit from your investment. All right, my name is Rose. If you have any question, drop your question at the comment section. Ask us questions, I will be happy to attend to them. And if you want to be part of this, please note we have only it was 20 slots for the mortgage package at this current price, but so many investors have taken advantage of it, so we have 10 slots left. Okay, so once that is completed, that means you're going to be buying at the new price. That's 68 million for 3-bedroom bungalow without solar. So you want to save that 10 million naira to buy at the current price by indicating your interest. Tell us if you're using the mortgage plan, if you're an employee, self-employed, or you are a client in the diaspora. We have a checklist for you and we can share it with you. All right, my name is Rose. Until I come here again, don't stop investing in real estate. Checking out. Ciao, ciao.